Okay, everyone, take your pencils out now and start writing those 3 paragraphs essays right now on the test. I'm giving you about 45 minutes. I'm not taking a test. Neither the 3 paragraph essays. It's so lame. You know what? Strawberry, she looks like that Squidward character from SpongeBob. Excuse me, who you calling Squidward? And where's my glasses? I had them at my desk. Who took them? Check your butt. Maybe in there. Finally got my glasses. Do your work right now, or I'm writing y'all all a referral. Girl, can you shut up? I'm trying to sleep. And make sure I get your nerd in. Achoo! 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 Do it. She deserves it. Yeah, fool, you got me messed up. Hope you sneeze when I'm trying to sleep. No, you stay still. Stop screaming. Stop screaming, little fool. Ain't nobody gonna save you. Dang, I got her good. Yeah, I got you good. Next time, don't mess with me and stop sneezing in class.